Welcome to Epic Yarn Gems. Today is the day that we pick the winner of our 200 subscriber yarn giveaway. As you can see, Emerald is excited and so is Diamond. I want to thank you all for stopping by and leaving comments. I did look at all the comments and I will be using those suggestions to make more videos in the future. Next week I will be doing a Santa hat and I hope you stop by and take a peek. I was totally surprised by the number of people who watched the video and left comments, and it was actually a lot of fun to do and to read all of the comments. So I'm going to be doing this again at my 400 subscriber, which I hope will be coming soon. I will be doing another yarn giveaway for that, so watch in the future for that. And I guess without any further ado, I need to announce the winner. So I used the random comment selector, and the winner is Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Congratulations to you. I will leave my contact information down in the description so that you can send me a note on where you would like your prize mailed to. It will be epicyarngems@gmail.com. Thanks again, everybody, and I hope you have a great day.